Right now, Mutum's future is literally in your hands. Now, if you haven't heard of this coin, then get ready because it's a coin that lets you have your vote. That's right, you get to vote on everything that's going on. Community voting is coming. Now, stay tuned. I'm about to go through this coin, give you the inside out of everything to do with this, and show you exactly how you can get hands of this coin that's taking over. Now, before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Like I said in the intro, this is Mutuum, okay? This is Mutuum.com. Link will be down in the description for you to do your own due diligence. But what we can see on the right-hand side is phase 6. They have already accumulated $13.8 million. So they've got the 7% currently, so that's token sold is 661 million, and holders is just under 15,000. But what we can see is maximum earnings and minimum effort. You can lend, borrow, contribute and earn with Mutuum. Nice and simple. It's either ETH, it's on the Ethereum network. You can select USDC, USDT, BSC, or Polygon as well. But as we go down, it breaks down what is Mutuum. So if you're new to Mutuum, it is a decentralized, non-custodial liquidity protocol that enables users to engage as lenders, borrowers, or liquidators. So lenders contribute to liquidity by depositing cryptocurrency into a pooled contract. It also has a P2C model, that's peer-to-contract model, and a peer-to-peer model, variable and stable borrowing rates, and a passive dividend yield. What does it mean? It means that it's a non-custodial. This means you have full control of your funds throughout every deposit and loan. And with that community voting coming, this means that you will be having direct contact with the plans that they've got forward. We will be taking a look at the roadmap going forward, and it breaks it down a little bit for you. You get to see the vision, but I know that it will go down to the bigger holder. It's like a company. The bigger amount of coins that you have, it gives you a bigger voice in the community voting. It also has a multi-chain, so it will be gradually deployed across EVM and non-EVM chains, instant liquidity, collateral deposits, security audits, that's extensive third-party audits, safeguarding users' assets, and it's open source. So it's a transparent open source code, fostering trust and innovation. Tokenomics is nice and simple. Quantity is 4 billion. Contract address is here. You can press that copy button if you want to go down that route. It's a standard ERC20, decimals 18. Ticker name is MUTM. Pre-sale is 45.5%. Team and founders have kept 4.5. Incentive giveaways 5, partnership 5, liquidity 10, shortfall reserve 10, ecosystem growth 10, and liquidity mining and incentives. Here's the roadmap. So they're in the introduction. The grayed out part is what they have already done. You can see here that the creation of educational content on Mutuum, functionality, principles, and algorithm due to be done, and formation of a legal and compliance team. And then phase 2 is commencement of core smart contract, initiation of DApp, beginning of backend development, and all of these said here. You can click on this and read more about it. You can literally see everything that we are going through, phase 1 to phase 4. This is over on their white paper, which, like I already had it planned here for you guys. Make sure you head on over and do your due diligence. Make sure you read through everything you need. Everything that I am talking about is on this white paper I'm showing you. But if we go down and continue where we left off, phase 3 is the finalizing Mutuum. That's establishment of the reporting system, beta testing of demo version, launch of functional demo version, preparation of exchange listing, completion of multiple different things, finalization of documents, and conclusion of the pre-sale. And then phase 4 will be that delivering phase, where you launch of the live version, listing of the MUTM token, activation, establishment and development, advanced features, implementation of platform enhancements, etc., etc. How do you purchase? You wallet setup. So step 1 is your wallet setup, download MetaMask or Trust, and then you simply go through the buying process of pressing buy now, and then you view your purchase and claim your tokens. Frequently asked questions are here, so if you do have any questions, make sure you are going through these just to get a good insight in exactly what this coin has available before you contact on any of one of these social media handles below. But there we have it, guys. That was Mutuum. It's such a good way of doing this, having that community voting and giving you a voice which incentivizes the people on long-term growth. So if you are a big holder of Mutuum, you will get a say in this coin and the direction of where it's going. It actually encourages the decentralized direction as well. So if there's any coin in 2025 that you should be taking apart, it is 100% Mutuum. But let me know down in the comments your opinion and whether you think this is something you're looking to invest in. Now, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.